Hey guys, it's a new day, new energies, new moments. Here we are working for the back. Don't forget to leave your comments so that we know what we need to improve on and what you're expecting from us. Thank you so much. You are so amazing. And we are rolling with the first workout, barbell row.
You work it. In the cash, just they work it. London, they like to work it. Nine girls, have you work it. Ghana young girls, them work it. You know you still in the show. Grab somebody, show them.
I'm telling you, it's a back day. And rolling to the second one, T-bar rowing. Bah! Hold the weight and put as heavy as you can. 10 reps, 4 sets of the same.
Work it, oh, work it. Show your working, oh, come work it. You know I love it, oh, yeah. Grab somebody, show them how you work it. Yeah. Take my shell. I'm a lock by the take my shell. When you give me the sekwe, me I take my shell. Work it. On a mess, see on a mail. Work it. On a mess, they give me correct. Work it. On a mess, they make me comment. Oh, slide in the DM. Love the way you walk, the way you talk, you hypnotize me with your whining, baby. Grab somebody, show them how you work it, oh, work it. Show your working, oh, come work it. You know I love it, oh, yeah.
And remember to keep your position right. Don't quit until you get it right. It's not over until you win.
Work it, you know I love it, oh, yeah. Grab somebody, show them how you work it, work it. Shall you go down, work it, work it. Hey, only you they make me work it, yeah, work it. If my people for Zanga, they work it, yeah, work it. So grab somebody, show them how you work it, work it. Show your working, work it, work it. Fine girls wanna work it. Girl, I like the way you work it. In the cash, just they work it. London, they like to work it. Nine girls, have you work it. Ghana young girls, them work it. You know you still in the show. Grab somebody, show them how you work it, oh, work it. Show your working, oh, come work it. You know I love it, oh, yeah. Work it. Shall you go down low and work it, oh, work it. Show your working, oh, come work it. You know I love it, oh, yeah. Grab somebody, show them how you work it. Shall you go down, work it, oh.
Yes guys, I know your back is calling for rest. That's all we had for today. Stay tuned and remember, fitness is a lifestyle, not an event. Don't quit until you get it right. For bookings, point my contacts on the description below. And to subscribe, touch the button here. Till next time, stay tuned.
Work it, oh, work it.